Good morning. In today's Google Drive tutorial, I'll show you two ways that you can access your shared Google folder and two ways that you can submit work into that folder once you've found it. I'm going to focus on the first two methods here on this document because the third method, which involves email, tends to cause students trouble if they're already signed into their personal Gmail account. So I'm going to recommend that you not use this method, and today I'm going to focus on these two methods instead. So the first thing that you'll do is go into your course, and in your content area, whenever you have an assignment, so for example, this is the APA Skills Assessment, you will see at the end of that assignment submodule a link that says Submit Here. If you click on that link, it will take you directly to your Google Drive, and what you should see here is a folder that I've shared with you. It should have your name on it. Now if you click into this folder, you'll be able to see rubrics for all of the assignments for this course. So this is where you're going to submit your work, and you'll do that one of two ways. You can click New, File, Upload, and then this will allow you to choose a document that you've already typed in Microsoft Word. Choose it, hit Open, it will upload, and it will be available here in your folder. So if you can't see it here, then I also cannot see it here, and it won't count as being submitted. So make sure that it's here in this folder. Another thing that you can do is just click New, Google Docs, and this, yes, you want to create it in the shared folder so that I can see it too, and this will allow you to type your assignment directly in Google Doc, so you don't have to type it in Word and then upload it. You can type it directly in Google if you want to. Make sure that you title it something useful, so I recommend using the name of the assignment, so either Summary 1 or Summary 2 or Interview Report or Speech Outline, or what have you, so that we can distinguish between different assignments. So back in your student folder, let's reload this. You should now see, so this is the document that we uploaded, and this is Summary 1. This is the summary that you began typing. So there are two different ways, obviously, that you can submit work. Either one of them is fine. The only thing I want you to notice is that if you do upload from Word, the document will come into Google Drive as a Word version, and in order for me to make comments or feedback on it, I will have to convert it to a Google Doc version, which is fine. I don't mind doing that, but it'll double everything. Not everything, but it'll double that folder. So now there's a Word version of this file and there's a Google version of this file. So I'll usually go in and remove the original Word version just to keep things a little bit streamlined. So that's not really anything you have to worry about, but if you notice that the file versions are changing, that's probably what's happening. So a couple of mistakes that students sometimes make. If you post your work here in this part of the folder, I'm just going to test. Reload. If you create your document or upload your document and it's not in your folder, I can still see this here, but so can all of the other students in this particular course. This is an open folder that's shared with this course, and each student has their own folder. Now, you'll only be able to see your folder, but anything that's posted in this larger folder will be accessible to everyone. So just make sure that you're posting all of your material inside your folder that has your name on it. The other mistake that students make is just posting documents in their own drive. If you post it in your drive, that is private, and I don't have access to that. I can't see it, and I won't know that you've submitted it. So you have to make sure that you are in your shared folder. So I've shown you one way to do that by using the Submit Here link. associated with an assignment in D2L. The second way to do that is to navigate directly to your Google Drive. And one way that you can do that is by going to the Resources tab in My DTCC, under Technology, choosing Google Drive, and then once you're here, this is your private Google Drive. It's not shared with me, but if you click this link on the left-hand side that says Shared with Me, you should see a student folder right here, or somewhere off to the left here, that has your name on it, and that should take you to the same student folder that we accessed earlier. On my end, it looks a little bit different because I obviously don't have a folder that's been shared with me, but you should still have like a sample student folder that has your rubrics and things in it for you to submit. So I hope that that's helpful, and I hope that everybody is able to navigate through Google Drive and access these folders and upload their documents easily. If you do have trouble, please contact me via email, give me a call, set up an appointment to come in. We can go to the lab, or I can help you on your laptop to make sure that you're comfortable with this process. Thank you, and let me know if you have any other questions.